Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. In front of us, we have the pleasure of this 2016 Volkswagen Touareg V6 diesel. Now, this gentleman came to us to get a tow bar supplied and fitted. He went with the genuine Westfalia branded, invisible, detachable, German-engineered tow bar. Heavy-duty tow bar, fully invisible, seamless finish out the back, as well as the integrated, dedicated wiring kit. Now, this wiring kit works with your ABS functions, trailer stability control, automatically shuts off those parking sensors, and talks with the other modules within the vehicle. Now, this gentleman purchased this tow bar for the purpose of towing his Caravan. He had the addition of an Anderson plug fitted, as well as some additional wires in the 13-pin plug to run his auxiliary and constant power. Now, with this tow bar and this Caravan, he chose to do a performance upgrade, bringing this up to a stage 2. Now, this V6 TDI now pulls as if it's a V8, giving that additional power, giving it that ease of towing when pulling the heavier loads. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.